Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
We a go get out of the, everybody say that. We a go get out of the, everybody say that. Touch it, pull it off and back and them one another.
But if we're talking about 2025, we cannot put a man in our list because he did shows.
Huh?
We're trying to put Kartel in the...
Jay, you're...
Wait, can I talk?
Here I come. Here I come.
If somebody case then, how much festival shall you do every year, bro?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Make sure yes or no? How much festival shall I do every year tonight?
I'm confused. I'm confused.
You have to let me know why I'm confused, you know?
Yo, me telling you, say, me no want the job if you are correct people, you know. But me know when people do things for clout or content, and me know when people genuinely now have no knowledge. So what him basically I say is, Sean Paul and Shaggy do festival every year. And them man me tell about the man them with a big platform, you know, bro. I don't have no knowledge of the music, you know, just the clout alone, you know, have, you know, and no knowledge of the music, you know, bro. Bro, no go back go do comedy, you know, man. And allow the music alone, all I wanna run and come over music. You know, go continue doing the comedy, bro. So what the man basically I say is, you know, people, the arenas and the history of Vybz Kartel are create. Sean Paul and Shaggy do them something every year. So why you know give Vybz Kartel Artist of the Year for the history them create? Bro, Shaggy and Sean Paul do festivals, bro. Anybody can go on people festival. What Vybz Kartel do is him own arena, like him do a arena tour. Up to now, Shaggy and Sean Paul haven't done an arena tour. Why you think Shaggy and Sean Paul quiet, sit down quiet? You really think say them would have give Vybz Kartel a credit there as the first man if you do arena tour and the first man for do back-to-back Barclays and the first man for do London? You really think say Shaggy and Sean Paul, if them they do it already, them would have make Vybz Kartel get the credit there and just sit down like a stooge and not say nothing? Bro, because them never do it yet. So them festival we are talking about, festival. And your own show, bro. We not run big platform and we don't have no sense, bro. But anyway, the next topic we are going to talk about, because I promised you yesterday, say, we are going to talk about the Irish and Chin.
When does Killer can no longer keep bringing up the fact that, in boss Kartel?
You see me, Irish and Chin are asked when Bounty Killer them. And people in the industry are going to stop say, yo, a Bounty Killer bossy man thing. So we are play one little part where Irish and Chin say, yo, but before me do that, let me introduce myself to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. I am DJ Dreadbeard, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, just like up the video and share the content. You see me? Yeah. And we are going to talk about everything right after the intro.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Much of my friend them dead before me at 50. Reach at 50. All my finna say that is the greatest.
Guess who's here? The goat. One side. Massacre.
Yo, somebody comment under the video there and say, few years down the line on an interview, you gonna hear say him did give Capeton a strength. Yo, that sound like a joke, but a real talk the dog. Yo, every day the man them take Massacre for one big puppy show, you know, I'm not talk unruly face. You see me? Every day them take the dog for your clown. Massacre, where they take a real dog? Yo, speaking of Massacre, yo, big man thing, yo, want to help me in the comment section because I keep on a replay this and it look like me alone a talk about it, bro. When them ask Jaii who in the clash and like the man say, oh, gimmicks family use. Yo, me have a play back one little part and wanna tell me if I'm me alone I made this. Cause from what day, me fi play it, you know.
People, it seems like the majority of people say Tamale win. How you feel the war play out?
In my perspective, bro, got Tamale going more gimmicks way, you see me? And in more trolling way, you see me? But lyrically, bro, Sika pits on lyrics, you know.
No, we know that. But you know, what you as somebody who in other wars knows no lyrics are not everything.
Yeah, no, lyrics are not everything, dad, but you see me? Even war, no,
Bro, the man even change all the subject. The man don't want to say a massacre win the war, bro. A Tamil the man say win the war, no, but the man say a gimmicks Tamil use, you know, bro. The reason why I play this, you know, me keep on hear people on some other panel still I say, oh, a massacre win and massacre they have the better song and, bro, even the man with upon the interview where I worship massacre the whole time, just share worship massacre and the man just to be honest. The man just to be honest and I make you know say yo a Tamil win but bruh I gimmicks him use. Him me not care what him want use. I him win and Joshua tell you say I him win. Yo, it remind me I win. Jamil did admit. Jamil did admit say yo Chronicler did win him in a little clash there. You see me? I see him think Joshua forward out and like him I say yo bro a Tamil win. But yo me they have to play about the little part there the interview because why people still out here I say massacre win. Our massacre they have the better song them in the clash. You know, Kira who they have the better song, you know. Our massacre have more clarity. You know matter what massacre have. Massacre lose the war and Tamil have the last song in the war. Where they will heap a debate for same way. You see me? Can you imagine if Massacre did a dominate this a clash how the man would have beat Gaza would have beat Tamil, bro? Imagine I lose, the man losing and you have a like a defensive stand because all the way you say now is a defensive stand you make. It's not an attack stand because you not sound confident. That is not how you would have sound if Massacre did actually win the clash, bro. So you stop it, man. Remember me you not deal with it, you know. I just have to say that because I don't know why I go jump on fence and hear some people still a debate but who have the better song and who win and people are asked if a Tamil win and yo, Jano. So yo, anyway, let me touch a little bit back on the Jeffrey, let's be honest or let's be biased or whatever they want to name at this point, you see me? So let me just touch back a little bit on the topic there before I answer Irish and Chin question where I ask when Bounty Killer. You see me? But yo, Jeffrey them. Bro, the feelings, the interview feelings, it's a cloud on a judgment, bro. Yo, at 2026, you claim say you let it go, but you don't let it go, bro. Like, God is the greatest. When you see the money pull up in a 2026, bro. People still have play God is the greatest. Like, God is the greatest in our lane where it's forever. Like, it's a forever hits. Like, whole heap of Vybz Kartel hits. God is the greatest giant in the catalog the way it a forever play. All 10 years from now it's still a play. So una fight one song where it de in our lane. Bro, una give White's Song of the Year 2 times in a row. And that may show you say una not professional because out of the 4 of una, none of una can correct one another and say yo, you know say we already give White's Song of the Year the platform, yeah. Let's be honest, platform already give White Song of the Year. So how we are going to get in a 2024 and 2025. You see me? So the professionalism, it not there, bro. I just fool things still. Yeah, because I remember say, you have Mobo and you have some other awards and Caribbean awards and them things. They don't give Vybz Kartel Artist of the Year. So I just fool a little personal thing. So I don't want Gaza Nation take them serious neither. You see me? Yeah, I just feelings them I carry. You see me, not one of them. And then you have a man where say him represent Gaza and him put Massacre over Vybz Kartel. Like Massacre theme number 1 and Vybz Kartel theme number 2, bro. At least get a real Gaza man where I got challenge and nice up the place. And like you all just agree, you know. The one I know is like a premeditated thing, like on a plan up here and forward and just reverse. Alright, yo, so dancehall psychology.
When does Killer can no longer keep bringing up the fact that, Imboss Kartel, he did this and he did that for Kartel. Like, when is that debt paid? When does Kartel get to move on without that guilt or without that stigma on his shoulder? When does Kartel be able to be his own man, make his own decisions without the industry feeling like you're being ungrateful to Bounty Killer?
So the reason why Bounty Killer now go stop like hold that over Vybz Kartel skull, because bro, the bigger Vybz Kartel get, and the more Bounty Killer I go say yo, I imbust Vybz Kartel. I just psychology, bro. I just human nature that. Because watch out. You know hear Bounty Killer get up every day and I say yo, I imbust Baby Sham. You know hear him get up every day and I say yo, I imbust Elephant Man, or all of the artists them where people say imbust. Whether I imbust them or not, I give them a platform or not, you don't hear him a claim say I imbust Movado or Busy Signal or nobody, because guess what? Them not as great as Vybz Kartel. So the greater you are, is like, me don't know if I proud him proud or I jealous him jealous or whatever, but a human nature for say yo, somebody where you know, boss, you go say yo, me know the person, you know. If the person not do good, you not go really I say yo, me know the person, you know, the more the person do. Alright, let me go now example, a perfect example. Silk Boss and Terrodan. When last time you hear Terrodan say yo, I imbust Silk Boss. But make Silk Boss did dep on a level where, alright, let's say Silk Boss dep on a level like Massacre or Valiant them. Where we know say yo, them dep on a level, you see me? Bro, every now and then you would hear Terrodan and say yo, I imbust Silk Boss. But Silk Boss right now, him not go out with nothing, so Terrodan not even care about Silk Boss. But me I tell you bro, if Silk Boss is big like Massacre them and Valiant bro, every day you would hear Terrodan, I remind the people them say yo, I'm me boss Silk Boss. You see me, I'm me responsible for him career. That is why I have so many people I claim say yo, them have a hand in a Vybz Kartel career, whether I want to be Footer Hype, whether I want to be Trooper, whether I want to be Mataran, whether I want to be Firelinks, anybody at all. That's why so much people I say, oh, them bust Vybz Kartel, because people want the clout there. Like clout come with for you saying you bust Vybz Kartel, bro. You know hear Bounty every day till I say, yo, him bust Baby Sham, bro. Is a reason why him not tell us say him bust Baby Sham, but everybody I tell us say, oh, them bust Vybz Kartel. Because them I say, oh, the way, oh, this man great, and me responsible for him greatness. So Irish and Chin, the question where you ask when it a go stop, bro, it not go stop. The bigger Vybz Kartel get, and the more you go hear it. So the only way it stop, yeah, let me clear this up. The only way Bounty Killer stop, if Vybz Kartel stop being great. Yeah, so that's a psychology. So that's another episode. A Dancehall Psychology 101. And yeah, man. So as I say, Irish and Chin, it not go stop because Vybz Kartel are the next Bob Marley, you know. Him not have no slow down, you see me? Yeah, but yo, you know what would I make where Bounty Killer do have a whole heap of effect? If Vybz Kartel never the out here say a Bounty Killer boss him and a Bounty Killer make him rich. You see, if Vybz Kartel did a shy away from that and now say it everywhere him go, then what Bounty Killer do would have a whole heap of effect. Because you would have the narrative out there now say, yo, Vybz Kartel ungrateful. But nobody can say that no matter how you hate Vybz Kartel, you can't use ungrateful side of him name. You see me? And it would make a whole heap of sense when I do one thing, but bro, and you know who else have the style too? Popcorn. Popcorn get the style from Vybz Kartel, you know. Popcorn make you know say, yo, Vybz Kartel make him rich. And no matter what, me nah this Vybz Kartel. So all of the unruly fans them on YouTube are this Vybz Kartel. Popcorn nah do it because me are the artist and me Vybz Kartel put to the world make uno can rate me today. So no matter what, a Vybz Kartel make me rich. You see me? Notice, you never hear Vybz Kartel run up and down and tell us say, oh, imbus Popcorn or a imbus Javinci, Black Rhino, Vanessa Blim. You never hear him do them something. So I tell us say Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer are two different kind of person, bro. While Bounty Killer run up and down, like Vybz Kartel are him biggest achievements, him have to take all the pride in that and boast about that alone him have in him name. Say, yo, me boss the king. You see me? Yeah, man, but people, you know, say right, so I cut it. You see me? And yo, when you see the red arrow there, I point to the video there, continue the reasoning over my new channel. You see me? Me chat some sitting over there like the boy Jeffrey, I carry feelings for Vybz Kartel. Me drop a different kind of reasoning over there. Like, it look like say him a try look at Massacre interview. So him a sweet talk Massacre. I give him song of the ear. 2 times in a row, the same song for the same white. You see me? So continue the reason over my new channel. You see me? Click on the video where the arrow point to. You see me? Yeah man, and subscribe to the channel same way. I'm DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.